It's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular unit is actually being sponsored by a wonderful company that I came in contact with. They hit me up, and of course I graciously agreed to it. It is coming from the company called Modelish Hair. Well, tresses. Sorry, hair tresses. Sorry. It's called Modelishhtresses, and this is a Black-owned company. This is a Black-owned hair company, and I'm really geeked and dope to work with them. And hopefully this won't be our last, because I will say this, I am very intrigued and I love everything about this particular unit. So let's go and get started. This is the box that mine came in. It's very cute, very stylish. It's blue, it has different shades of blue. It has diamonds all around the title of it. And at the bottom of it lets you know how to contact them and all of their social media. So that's pretty dope. Opening it, the only thing that came in here was the actual unit itself, but I did keep the little stock card to tell you a little bit more about this unit. I am wearing their Deep Wave 18-inch 13x4 lace frontal unit, and I will say this, it did come wavier than this, so this is actually what it came. So of course, like, I'll have a picture right here for you guys to see how it came, and today I decided to do something different. So that's just a little tidbits that's about what's in the box. I'm going to talk about my personal opinion about this unit, and I honestly can say that I am thoroughly impressed. I cannot wait to work with them again. I actually love this unit. So let's go on and get started about this lace. This lace is highly undetectable. It is seamless, like, honey, what lace? Literally, like, lace where? Like, where are we looking? Where do we see lace? Let's get started there. Like, it looks so believable, so natural. Like, I'm actually gagging about this unit. I'm about to be in this unit for the whole weekend. So of course we're gonna get some dope photos of this unit this weekend, and I cannot wait. There are two combs in the front. Mine is actually tacked down. I did the got to be glued method, and if you guys don't know the got to be glued method with the ball cap, I will leave links down below, so that way you can go over there and you can see how I did mine. But that's how I installed this unit. So I'm actually installed in this unit, so I will be in this unit until Sunday, which it gives me an idea of how the hair does. So I've worn it in its natural state for a couple of days, and so today I decided, hey, we're gonna do some real pretty wand curls on it, and it actually came out so freaking beautiful. Like, it curled like a dream with no issues. Like, I'm talking about, like, I had no issues with this hair. I did use hairspray on it. Now it's funny, I use hairspray. I did the Sebastian shaper spray on one side, and then insert on this side. I didn't do anything. So you're looking at it with product being on there and no product. And honestly, I think we all can agree that the side with product is still pretty cute, but we can both agree that the side without product is, like, really dope. So I freaking love them. I did pluck mine to be a permanent side part, because as soon as I saw the wig, I fell in love with it. Of course, with any hair that I get, I do a quick rinse off of the hair, rinsed it off, let it air dry. It did not take long for this hair to air dry, I will say that. And I did pluck a side part in this unit because I knew exactly how I wanted to wear this unit. And even when it's in its natural state, it still looks so pretty with the natural curls. Other than that, I definitely will say this is a winner chicken dinner, and I thoroughly give this 2 thumbs up on this unit. Definitely hit them up. They are so sweet, so kind. Definitely hit them up. And of course, this is a Black-owned business. We represent, we show out, and we show up. So to all my Tame Raiders, if you're looking for some dope hair that's with a Black-owned business, definitely hit them up over there at ModelishhTress. And of course, come back for the Tame One, because you never know what I have on next. So if this video is informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,